guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another video with my dog, so let's get started. Let's go. Let me flip the camera around. Okay, it's flipped around. Okay, sorry, see your glove they teared up. A shoe actually. It's not on me, I'm sorry. Can you see me? I was just looking at it. Okay. Becky, come here. She's really calm. Okay. That's one. That's two. Three. So, the thing about him, he doesn't like his toe being touched, so he's gonna bite you if your toes being touched, because he likes his ears being touched. But Gracie, and this dog right here, does not like anything. She likes everything, but she just she just doesn't like anything. She doesn't like running, So, this is one. The thing she doesn't like about is when you take a bath. So, when you take her a bath, she doesn't like it. And then this one, she doesn't like you taking her ball. So, oh my God. Macy! 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 Macy. The thing she doesn't like is, I think I already mentioned that, but if you skip stuff, the thing she doesn't like is getting her ball. So, I'm sorry. Why is this camera zoomed in? I didn't zoom in. So, the thing she doesn't like is, she doesn't like when you not like you, me, my sister, my aunt, and my uncle. So, she doesn't like when you take her ball, like a soccer ball. You see this ball? She doesn't like her taking this ball. Right, move, Macy. Right here. See? I'm trying to run to her, but she won't let me. That's why. So,